Welcome to SG Sports TV. This is our SEA Games highlight show. It's day 8 of the competition here at the 29th SEA Games in KL. And today we're going to have a look at badminton, gymnastics and figure skating. Let's take a look.
In badminton, Malaysia's Jin Wei defeated Indonesia's Fitriani in the women's singles quarterfinals. Go won 2 sets to 1 to reach the last 4, having come back from losing the first set 13-21 to Fitriani, to win the subsequent 2 sets strongly, 21-15, 21-12. Malaysian shuttler Iskandar Zulkarnaen crashed out of the men's singles quarterfinals, failing to capitalize on his first game victory as he bowed out of the competition 16-21, 21-17, 21-18 to Vietnamese veteran Nguyen Minh at the Axiata Arena in Bukit Jalil. The 26-year-old was so disappointed by his exit from the competition that he said he might consider quitting the game altogether. In the women's doubles, Singapore's Crystal Huang and Rene were defeated by Malaysia's pairing of Vivian Hu and Woon Ke-wei 12-21, 10-21 as Malaysia progressed to the semi-finals. In the men's doubles quarterfinals, Malaysia's Goh Se Fei and Noor Izzuddin were defeated by Indonesian pair Emrian Ardianto and Fajar Alfian in straight sets 10-21, 14-21. In gymnastics, Malaysia's rhythmic gymnast Yeong put up a dazzling performance to defend her individual all-round gold medal at NETEC today. The 18-year-old won the hearts of the judges with her impeccable performances in the hoop, clubs, ball and ribbon apparatus to take the gold with a combined score of 63.150 points. Fellow Malaysian Amy Kwan made it a 1-2 finish for Malaysia when she took the silver medal with a score of 60.100 points. Singapore's Tong Ka Man bagged the bronze with a score of 52.900 points. Malaysia also clinched gold in the group single apparatus 5 hoops final as Amira Sofia Amiro Fares, Chan Mei Thang, Ko Jae Yi, Ti Wei Chi, Ti Wei Wen and Fiu Yue Jia won the country's 3rd gold medal in rhythmic gymnastics with 16.050 points on the board, edging silver medalist Singapore at 14.400 points and 3rd place Philippines at 10.650 points, who took bronze. Over at Empire City in women's figure skating, Singapore created history when they completed a 1-2 finish with Yu Shuran and Chloe Ng, cementing gold and silver medals for the Republic with total scores of 135.52 points and 128.61 points respectively. 17-year-old Yu Shuran delivered a flawless routine in free skating to score 82.24 points in the free skate. With Shuran scoring 53.28 in Friday's short program, her total of 135.52 points saw her claim Singapore's first ever gold in winter sports. Alison Christie Pertichato of the Philippines scored 113.40 points to take the bronze. The figure skaters were scored over 2 days of competition in both the short program as well as the free skating session, which ended today.
Thank you for joining us once again. We hope you enjoyed our highlights. Don't forget to subscribe to our Sports Singapore YouTube channel and like our SG Sports TV Facebook for more of our live streams and videos. This is Yeong, signing off.